Welcome to the library. In this quick tutorial, we'll review the Mergent Online database, which provides quick access to company financial data, company history and news, industry reports, and country reports. Coverage in Mergent Online includes up to 15 years of historical data. To begin, click on the A to Z Databases link on the library's homepage. Select the letter M and then click the link for Mergent Online. The basic search page enables you to find a company by name or ticker symbol, or you can search for lists of companies by primary SIC, primary NAICS, and MIC codes. It is important to keep in mind that companies in Mergent Online will be primarily publicly traded companies in the United States. In our example, we will look for the company Netflix. We can select Netflix Inc. from the drop-down menu to be taken directly to the company synopsis. Take a moment to read through the headings on the blue tabs in the middle of the screen. Also note the subcategories located beneath each blue tab. Let's first take a look at the Company Financials tab. This tab shows the financial details from balance sheets, income statements, statements of cash flow, and retained earnings statements for your company. You can change the options in the drop-down menus to look at other reports or other time periods. Hit the refresh button after making any changes. You can download financial data directly to Excel by clicking the Excel download icon in the upper right. Click on the Reports tab to view annual 10K reports for the company. Company reports are available in PDF format and may be accessed by clicking on the report name under the Year column. Mergent Online can also help you to identify a company's competitors. Click on the Competitors tab. Here you'll see a list of publicly traded companies ranked by revenue that have been identified as competitors within the same industry. You can also compare companies' financial data from this screen, add a competitor to the list, or create a competitor report. Again, you may download data directly to Excel. Finally, let's take a look at the Report Builder tab. Here you can build a custom report for your selected company. This is helpful because company information is displayed in many separate pages within Mergent Online. The Report Builder enables you to bring together a selection of these pages into a single formatted report. Simply select the data items that you would like to include in your report from the available list. Click the plus sign to expand the menus. Once you have highlighted the items to include in your report, click the right arrow button to move it into the Report Items box. You can choose to automatically add all available data items by clicking the right double arrow button. Select the format for your report and click Create Company Report. The custom report will include only those sections which you selected. You may click the Print button to print your report. Let's return to the Mergent Online homepage to take a look at some additional search options. The Executive Search allows you to choose from 8 different categories of information from which to build criteria for your specific search. Each tab will display a different set of criteria. For example, we can use the Executives tab to look up Apple CEO Tim Cook. Select first name and last name, enter the information into the boxes below, and click Submit. Here we can see that we have 2 results for an executive with the first name Tim and the last name Cook. Click the View button within this line to get to the next step. Our results screen allows us to select our CEO of interest, Timothy Cook of Apple Inc. Click on either the first name or the last name to view the executive information. Selecting the name will bring you to a page containing brief biographical information, compensation history, and insider holdings. Next, let's take a look at the classification search. Here you'll see selections for primary SIC, primary NAICS, and MIC or Mergent Industry Code, as well as drop-down menus for indexed, exchange, and country. Click on the radio button next to your criteria and enter the code into the search box below the selection. If you do not know the code, you may use the code lookup feature. Clicking on the Use Code Lookup link will open the feature in a new window. Once you have selected the industry, the code will automatically populate the search box. Click the Search button. On the resulting screen, you will see a display of all companies that meet your search criteria. Mergent Industry Reports provide broad coverage of the largest global industries in North America, Europe, Asia, and other geographic regions. The reports average about 40 pages in length and include current environment, industry profile, market trends, sales contracts, and more. To access Mergent Industry Reports, first select the Report Search tab. Next, select the Industry Reports sub-tab. Simply select the industry that you are interested in and click Search. To view the full-text industry report, click on the PDF icon within the Report column. Note that clicking on the View button will not display the full-text report. Finally, you may access Mergent country profiles by using the Country Profile box on the lower right of the basic search page. The drop-down menu has a list of more than 100 countries. After selecting a country, you will then be prompted to open or save the PDF file. Note that this step may look differently in your internet browser. Country reports are typically 20 pages or more and provide an economic overview, industry information, geography and history, demographics, and more. Mergent Online is a comprehensive business resource which is much more reliable than conducting a Google search for that information. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you need any assistance using Mergent Online, please don't hesitate to contact the library.